Hi friends, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can enable or disable opening camera using side key in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the side key. This is side key. If you double press this side key, what will happen? Camera will open. Quickly go to double press like this and camera is opened. So if you want to disable this function, yes, you can do it. For that, what you do is just go to the settings and click on advanced features and go to side key, and it is in quick launch camera. It is already turned on. Double press, just if you turn it off, now from now, if you double press on the side key, it will not open the camera. Okay, suppose if you want to open if you want to launch any other app, you can choose another option, open app, and I choose Amazon. Now even if it is turned on, but it's in second option, camera will not open, but Amazon app will open. In that way it's set. Okay, I double press, see here Amazon is opening. So in this way you can easily control the double press function for side key in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.